a 4-minute workout that replaces 1 hour in the gym. An exhausting workout in the gym doesn't suit everyone, and let's be honest, sometimes we have no time for it. However, this is not an exercise to avoid exercise. Quick interval training is really effective. Due to its high pace, a large number of calories is burned in a short period. Let's try these 5 simple exercises that will take you just 5 minutes. You don't even need a stopwatch. I'll count for you, so you can perform the whole set while watching the video. Exercise number 1. Squats. Place your feet shoulder-width apart or slightly wider. Start crouching down, pulling the pelvis back as if you want to sit on a chair. Crouch as low as possible, keeping your back straight. Return to the initial position, straining the leg and butt muscles. You need to repeat this simple exercise for only 60 seconds. Let's give it a try. Here's your minute. Losing weight in such problem areas as the legs, buttocks, and hips is probably the most prevalent issue in fitness. The beginner-level exercises like squats are pretty effective and beneficial. If you perform this exercise regularly every day, your whole body will transform within a month. For this easy exercise, you don't need special equipment or gym membership. You can perform it just about anywhere. How are you doing there? Only a few seconds left. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done! Let's move on to the next one. Exercise number 2. Push-ups. Take the plank position with your arms straight. Your hands should be shoulder-width apart, and knees, shoulders, and feet are in one line. Slowly start lowering your body, bending your arms and keeping elbows close to your body. Return to the initial position. For a start, you should perform the exercise for at least 30 seconds. Are you ready? Here's your half minute. This exercise greatly works the pectoral muscles and triceps. If you're new to push-ups, begin by doing them on your knees or while resting against a chair or sofa. How many can you do today? Let's do 10 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's it! Great job! Exercise 3. Mountain climber. The starting position is the same as in the previous exercise. Tense your abs, lift the right leg, and pull it to your chest. Your back and hips must be stiff. Go back to the initial position and do the same for the left leg. This exercise takes about 30 seconds. Take your time and watch your posture. This exercise will strengthen your stomach muscles and help you burn calories. Don't push yourself too hard. If you feel exhausted, pause the video and take a break. I guess you need more intensive music for this exercise, right? Here you go. Exercise number 4. Lunges. Place your feet shoulder-width apart and hands at the waist. Take a big step forward with your left foot. The left should form at a right angle, and the right knee should almost touch the floor. Go back to the starting position with a push from the forward leg. Repeat the exercise with your right leg. This exercise requires only 1 minute. Ready? Go! Place your feet shoulder-width apart, hands are at the waist, take a step forward with your left foot. Now go back to the starting position and repeat the exercise with your right leg. Then do it for the left leg again. Then for the right one. Left. Right. Left. Right. Left again. And the right one. Keep going until the time runs out. When doing this exercise, it's very important to keep your back straight. Are you done? Okay, here's the last one. Exercise number 5. Jumps. Place your arms beside your body. Jump up while spreading your legs to the sides and raising your arms above your head. Go to the initial position with a quick jump. 45 seconds is enough for this exercise. Take the initial position, relax your shoulder and neck, and get ready. Now go! This exercise, called jumping jacks, forms a part of military training in the USA as it improves physical and aerobic endurance. Are you feeling your muscles burn? That means you're doing it right. Keep jumping for the remaining time. The workout should make you feel energized but not exhausted, so don't overdo it in the beginning. Well done! Today you did your muscles a huge favor. Here's a summary of the workout that might be handy for you. Squats, 60 seconds. Push-ups, 30 seconds. Mountain climber, 30 seconds. Lunges, 60 seconds. Jumps, 45 seconds. Keep performing this set of exercises every day, at home or in your backyard, and your body will transform within a month. You've already taken the first step toward your dream body.